Bucket.
Amanda, please! Hey!
My name is January Gazelle.
And I'm Melissa Santos.
And you're here with
You're watching
Clay Making 101. Making
A castle.
and an Eiffel Tower.
All you need is the clay bucket.
How do you like that?
The clay bucket from CVS.
Which comes with clay.
And helpful cutters of the Eiffel Tower, a shell,
And other more items.
a flower, some place in Rome,
Some places
a dolphin.
It's a place from France. It's an arbitrarium.
Now I'm going to make a princess castle.
Uh,
Look, my vitamin! Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, your set is going to come with about 4 different knives. Sorry, text message. One day, Barney, there once was a guy named Barney.
With a friend.
One day he decided to go to France to visit the Eiffel Tower. Oh, how pretty the Eiffel Tower is! And then, later on, he decided to go see
The castle in England.
the castle. Oh, look at the pretty pink castle!
In France.
For princesses!
called Chateau de something.
Chateau de
Get on
Bucket.
it. Chateau de Clay Bucket. Look at the pretty Chateau de Clay Bucket. Oh, the pretty little castle. And now, he wants to go see dolphins in the ocean.
I didn't even know the dolphin sounded like that.
Oh my god, there are people down there.
I know. Oh, look at the pretty little dolphins. I'm gonna ride a
You
dolphin.
have 3 minutes and 55 seconds to check there.
Okay. Then,
Eh,
after he played with the dolphins, he decided to go meet Mr. Flower. Hi, Mr. Flower. Are you on my new show? Hello! I'm Mr. Flower! I'm sorry, I have a nasal problem.
That reminds me of Hannah Montana.
Too close.
I know.
Too close.
And well, me and Mr. Flower are gonna go off and play at the Eiffel Tower in the castle and visit dolphins. You're breaking the ice.
Sorry,
The Eiffel Tower. Technical difficulties. Excuse the interruption.
I made a heart. By the
Okay.
bucket.
Amanda, please. Barney eats his broccoli goodbye.